A striped lawn can be a major boost to your home's curb appeal. And getting that professionally maintained look is easier than you might think. Here's what you'll need. Always follow manufacturer guidelines when using striping kits or outdoor equipment. Before getting started, clear the lawn of toys, tools, and any other items that could get caught up under your mower. For a classic stripe pattern, start by mowing parallel to a straight driveway or sidewalk. Then, at the end of the stripe, raise the deck to reposition the mower. Or leave the deck down and make a tight turn. Now, mow a stripe in the opposite direction, parallel to the first. And if turn marks are noticeable, mow a final stripe along the perimeter of the lawn to hide them. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.